scream home. And then the king gone. But watch who you bring home. You see a black man with a white woman at the top floor, they gon' come make you King Kong. Middle America packed in. Came to see him in his black kin. Homie was drafted in that pit. They still run his jersey and Akron. If I don't get ran down by Catholics, here comes a conservative Baptist. Saying he overreacting like the black kids in Chirac did. Keep up on him, I'm a donor, pick up a sense. It's an omen, I keep it 300. Like the Romans, 300 bitches. But I'm chosen, kick him and live it. In the moment, baby, we living. In the moment, baby, we living. In the moment, crazy, we living. In the moment, so follow me up, cause this thing about to go down. I'm doing 500, I'm out of control. Ain't nowhere to go now, but there's no way to slow down. Running at a time, just for the ass and into the ground.
I can be the answer. I'm ready to dance when the vamp up. And when I hit that dip, get your camera. You can see even that bitch shit's the camper. In the DM, that young sister beacon. The bitch who wants to compete. And I can freak fit that pump with the peep. And you know what your bitch become when her weave in. I just wanna sip that punch with your peeps. And sit in that lunch if you're treating. Kick it with your bitch who come from Parisian. She know where to get mine from in the season. Now she wanna lick my plum in the evening. And fit that tongue to deepen. I guess that can't get any in. 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 I was in the 212, I'm the uptown A nigga, you know what's up or don't you? Word of who made ya? I'm a rude bitch nigga, what are you made up of? I'ma eat your food up boo, I could bust your 8, I'ma do one too, fuck it gun do. When you do make bucks, I'ma look right nigga, bet you do want to, fuck 'em like you do want to come. You gated, get discovered, I'm a 2-1 deuce. Cock a lickin' in the water by the blue bayou. Caught the warm goose, and you do-rag too, son. Nigga, you're a Kool-Aid dude, plus your bitch might lick it. Wonder who let you come to 1-2. What you do to crew, son? Fuck are you into, huh? Niggas better run. You could get shot, homie, if you do want to. Put your guns up, tell your crew don't front. I'm a hoodlum, nigga, you know you were 2-1s. Bitch, I'm about to blue up too. I'm the 1-2 day, I'm the new ship boo, young Rapunzel. Who are you, bitch, new lunch? I'ma ruin you, cunt. I'ma ruin you, cunt.
Ayo, I heard you riding with the same tall talent. I'm your mason. Saying you're grinding, but you ain't going nowhere. No, why you procrastinate, girl? You got a lot, but you just waste all yourself. They'll forget your name soon. And will nobody be the same but yourself, yeah.
What you gonna do when I ain't up there? When I ain't premiere? Bitch, the end of your life in there. This shit been mine. What you gonna do when I ain't up there? When I ain't premiere? Bitch, the end of your life in there. This shit been mine.
Bitch, I'm in the 212 with the 5th cock, nigga. It's the 210. Fuck your gun, you. When your goon sprayed up, bet this bitch won't get him. Bet you won't do much. See, even if you do want to bust, you bitch, you get your cut and touch your crew up to pop.